Now we'll learn about another interesting thing, that is match layer. Suppose you have a different types of layer and you want to convert that layer to a certain layer properties. Now what we have to do, they have two options. Select all of that object and from here change it like that. It will change. But they have another good option to change it. But if we change that, then it is okay. But they have another good option. How? Just this known as match layer. Okay, LAY shortcut is LAY MACH, match. Lay match. I will click here. It's telling us select object. Select object. Which object we want to change? I will click here. Then enter. Select the object on destination. I will click here. Just see our that property have changed like that property. And if I click here, just see our that layer is same as our that layer. So in this way we are able to or if I click here join, okay, if I click here join, and if I go for LAY MA lay match, if we go for lay match, then we can use that here MACH match, then enter. And also select the object, this is our object, then enter. Also select that layer, just see it will change to that particular layer. In this way you can do it. Or you can remove the layer, then lay MACH lay match, then go for that one, select the object, click here, enter, and if you click here, just see. So in this way you are able to use your match property in layer. So that was the total working process of all layer properties. So if you need to know more about it, or if you have any confusion, please go to our Q&A section and we'll try to answer you as soon as possible. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.